Are you going to start a new business or contemplating a significant expansion? Then venture capital is the best solution? It is a unique way of funding source and provides businesses with the funds they need to expand. Analyze some basic things before starting to find out this type of financing. At first, know that all businesses are not worth of venture investments. Understand how venture capital works between partners and also know how their fund cycle works. Be with patience for a lengthy introduction period and make your connections. Here are the 5 business things you should know about venture capital and future growth. 5 main business aspects you should know. 1. It would help if you had a formal business plan. The most common mistake most of us do is not creating a business plan. It may trouble as business plans may help you to know the issues with your idea and also beneficial to investors or other sources of funding. Just make a business plan before starting a new venture and know your proposed product or service, about the costs, about funding needs, competitors, potential customers and market opportunities. Also, your business faces real challenges. Small Business Administration may offer a guide of simple business plans. 2. Analyze the costs effectively. You can analyze the sense of funding needs if you have a business plan with you. You can also avoid over and underspending where most of the entrepreneurs misjudge costs. They may spend more than expected where others are paying little to make their business a reality. So, don't overthink, know the needs and spend accordingly. Try your best to estimate the actual costs of funding of your venture through launch in the first year. The SBA can provide great startup costs tool to evaluate new business funding needs. So find the ways to secure your fund that you need. 3. Find the right partners. You may come across some issue while considering business partners. You can't start a venture alone, you need some partners or investors for funding to know how. But, bringing too many people can dilute your profit and may confuse with your strategy. Your business plan should consider this issue and think later what to involve and what impact will be there on a venture. 4. Identify your customers before you start. Do you know your customers in your market? Do you identify whether they have a desire or need for your product and service? Did your pricing make sense? Are you planning to compete on price, quality, service and all above? Understand your customers and market first. Many businesses fail as they fail to understand the target market. When you want to expand, don't expect for new customers from different areas and to have the same tastes and priorities. Know about them at first. 5. Do marketing wisely. Suppose an entrepreneur has the right products and services and do a stupid job of marketing. It is not that issue if you know about your customers and market. You can analyze what blogs they are interested in and where they hang out in real life and social media. Do marketing based on their lifestyle and habits. Don't be in thought like traditional advertising is dead. Based on your business, radio ads can also make sense and depending more on social media might backfire. What you do, market all that. Hire someone to help you if you are shy or don't understand how to deal reasonably and don't see the value. Entrepreneurship will be like an adventure in a lifetime. And it is the most challenged job, too. Don't repeat the common mistakes and helps you to make your path to success easier. Final note. So, understand all these 5 business aspects to know more about venture capital and future growth. So, make a business plan first and know your customers and market to create a path to success. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.